Okay guys, welcome back to this video training. So in today's video I am going to be showing you how to design a logistics courier and tracking website. Now this software is built with HTML, CSS and then PHP. Now as you can see on my screen right here, this is a look of something you're going to be getting to learn in this video. So this is the front end of this website, and you can see that is something that is beautiful. So right here you can see that this is where you can actually put in your tracking ID to track your parcel. Now I'm going to be telling you some of the features of this particular website. Now this particular website, you can actually make use of this particular website to track your goods. And let's say for instance you have someone who may have purchased something from your website and you want them to be able to track the location of their package. Now this is the function of this website. You can actually use it. You create a tracking ID from the admin panel, and then you're going to send this tracking number to your client, and they can actually come here on the website and then track the location of their package. Now another feature of this website is you can actually print out the receipt. You can send your clients the receipts and they are going to see, okay, these are the details of my tracking. And also this particular website also comes with a live map, which means you can actually view the particular location where your package is. And even if the admin updates the tracking from the admin panel, the client is also going to get notified, and then they can actually see the location of their package on the live map. So just take you around this website so that you just have to look at how it works, and then I'm going to go over to the admin side where I'm going to show you how to create your tracking ID. I'm also going to show you how to configure this website. So guys, if this is the first time you're seeing any of our videos, we share educating videos of this sort, and importantly, if you've not subscribed to our channel, hit the notification bell below this video and subscribe to our channel. This is going to help you get notified whenever we release any educating videos of this sort, and then we are also going to help us grow this channel. So guys, that said, I believe you've subscribed to our channel, so let's get started. Now the first thing I want to be showing you is here on my screen. Now I just want to walk you through this website so that you can see what is actually obtainable from this website. So you can see that this is the front end, and it's something very beautiful. So you can see that it has details and it has featured projects and all that. So you can see that right from my screen here, and these are the featured projects. So let's just scroll down and let me show you what is here. So you see that these are some of the testimonies and other recent articles. So you see that this has a video chat button here, and it also comes with a WhatsApp chat button. So either of them, your clients can make use of them to chat you up. So it's something very beautiful, and guys, you're going to love that. So don't bother, I am going to tell you how you are going to have access to this software, and you can also be able to do the exact same thing you're seeing right on my screen. So that is why I want you to watch this video till the end, because that is the only way you can have access to this website script. And then I'm going to tell you how you're going to get it, and I'm also going to show you how you can make money with this strategy I will be showing you in this video. So guys, I want you to stay to the end of this video so that you're going to learn my tricks and strategies of getting to build this website. It's built with HTML, CSS and then PHP, so it's something you will love, guys. So let's continue. So this is the map. You can see that this is showing the current location of the company. So let's just scroll down. These are some of other details. So I believe you've seen the front end, and let me just get a tracking number. Okay, your client can just come here, and if the admin has already created the tracking ID, the client is just going to come here on the front end, and let me just put a tracking ID I have already created. So I just have to click on track and trace. So once I click on that, you see that it is going to bring out the tracking details of my package. Wow, you can see that this website script is something you will love, guys. You see that it comes with the sender's name, the receiver's name, the details, the package, the destination, the location, and even the current location. So the admin has access to change and edit a lot of stuff, because as I told you, this website script also comes with a receipt. You can see that right here. So I'm just going to print that in a bit, and we are going to see how that looks. So you see that the location on this map is showing Tamaulipas. So you see that is the same location here in Mexico. So you see that is something very beautiful. So let's say if they are going to update this location or change the current location of the package from the admin, the client is also going to come back here and track it, and you're also going to see that yeah, the location has been updated. And okay, let's just continue. I'm also going to show you how to do that from the admin in a little time now. So you see that here is showing that it is held by custom, and it's saying awaiting payment. So if the client makes payment now, it's going to move from the admin is going to update that from awaiting payment to any other thing that the admin wish to change it to. So you see that this receipt is beautiful and it is something you're going to love, guys. So let's just go ahead and see if we can click on print receipt. You can just print your receipt and you can send this receipt to your client. So you can see that the receipt has been printed for me, and I can just save this receipt, and it has been saved. So you can save that receipt and send it to your client, and they are going to say, okay, these are the details of my package. Now this is the first segment of this video, so I just wanted to show you and walk you through this script, and so I can get to know the things obtainable for you in this website script. So now the next part of this video training is where I am going to be telling you and showing you how you can actually get to design a website using this website script. I'm going to show you how to configure it. I'm going to show you how to get your domain and hosting, and I'm also going to show you how you can have access to this website script, because that is the only way you can actually achieve this website that you're actually seeing right here. So that is why I want you to watch this video to the end, guys. So now we are going to be moving to the next segment of this video. Something you need to get for you to start doing this kind of website, as I will always say, you need to get your domain name and you need to get your hosting. Now if you've got your domain name and your hosting, and you know, there are some required hostings I do recommend in some of my videos. So you can actually use Namecheap, you can actually use Bluehost, and maybe some other hostings out there. So once you get your domain name and your hosting, and I will be leaving my affiliate link on the description of this video. So if you want to use my affiliate link, just click on the link and it's going to redirect you to where you can get your domain and hosting. And the good part of it is that if you use my affiliate link, you are going to get a free domain name, and there is a discount for you, and I'm also going to get a little commission for using my sign up link. So it's a win-win for the both of us. So you can actually use my affiliate link. It's in the description of this video. Now if you get your domain name and hosting, let's say for instance I want to get my domain name. So I'm just doing this for the sake of those watching this video and they do not have the knowledge of configuring this, from getting domain name and all of that. So I want to carry everyone along, because I believe that so many people who will be watching this video are maybe newbies into the field, and also most professionals will also be watching this video. So I just want to carry everyone along as we proceed in the video. Now let's say for instance you don't know how to get your domain name. Let's just go to Namecheap. Namecheap is one of the registrars you can actually get your domain name and hosting for. So this is Namecheap, and you can actually come to Namecheap and then get your domain and hosting. So let's say I want to get a domain name for my logistics and tracking website. So what I just have to do is I just have to come here and let's say I'm going to select the name logistic. Okay, let's say delivery sites, something like this .com. So let's say that is the domain name I want. So but before you start searching out for domain name, you need to agree this with your client, and you let's just have a bargain with your client, and then you know what they want, the kind of name you are going to use for them. So I'm just using this randomly as let's say for the purpose of this training. So I just want to get a domain and get it hosting. So let's see if that loads up. If that is available, I'm going to add that to my cart, and I'm also going to add my hosting to the cart, and I'm going to check out that. So for instance, most times our students find it difficult to make payment because of the limitations on our credit cards here in Nigeria. So there is a video on our channel here that shows you how you can get a virtual card that will enable you make payments online. So watch that video. Is I may leave the link to the video in the description, so just check out there and get the video link and see how you can get a virtual card to enable you make payments in dollars online, and you can actually use it to make payments and get your hosting. You can also use that video to fund your ads and all of that. So let's wait and see if that domain loads up, and if it's available, we are just going to add that domain to cart. Wow, you see that the domain is available. Wow, so we just have to add that to cart. And if you've added that to cart, let's come over to hosting, and you're going to select shared hosting. So I'm going to select shared hosting, and let's wait for that to load up. Okay, yeah, so this is my shared hosting. So I'm just going to select this first one. um if this is a new account, Namecheap is going to give you some discount. So this is a new account. So after getting your domain name and hosting, the next we the next procedure is to actually wait for this registrar to send you your cPanel login details to the email that was provided on registration. So once you receive your cPanel details, you're going to log into your cPanel, and from there you can start creating your website. And once you log into your cPanel, you are just going to see an interface just like this. So once you log into your cPanel, you see something like this. You're going to see that this is cPanel right here, and you're going to see something like this. So once you log on to this place, you just have to come here, and you know that yes, you've purchased your domain and hosting. So you just have to locate your file manager. So this is my file manager. If you can't see file manager here, just come to this search tool here and search for file manager. So if that opens, I'm just going to open my file manager, and this is my file manager. So once you are on your file manager, you know that yes, you are good to go. So from your file manager right now, you can actually start uploading your website script, and from there you can actually start seeing your website online. So let's wait for that to load up. So this here right is my file manager. So now I don't want to do this from scratch. I'm just walking you through from getting domain name and hosting it to getting your cPanel and then logging in, for the purpose of those who have not done this before and they are actually looking out to try out this. And I just want to break that down. So now I don't want to this is not a fresh work. I'm just going to create a folder on my public underscore html inside my folder, inside my file manager rather, and I'm going to show you how to configure this website script in details, and then so that once you get this script, you can also do the same and also get the exact same result. So what I'm going to do right now is this: once you come onto your file manager, you just have to locate your public underscore html. So this is my public underscore html. So I'm just going to go to folder. I just want to create a folder. So what are we going to give that folder? We're going to give that folder um let's say training, let's say train, something like that. So that is the name of the folder. I'm just going to click on create new folder. So that folder has been created for me, so you can see the folder right here. So remember, I am doing this so that I can show you how you can actually get the exact same result and see this same front end that you're seeing right here. You can get something like this, and you can also do that for yourself. So this is the folder. I'm just going to click and open that folder. So once you open the folder, you can see that this directory is empty. Now let me go back a little bit. Now let's say for instance you're getting your domain name and you're getting your hosting. Like let's say for instance you're doing this for the first time, or you're doing it for a fresh client. Just get your domain name, your hosting, and then once you log on to your cPanel, locate your file manager, locate your public underscore html, and then you'll be brought to this same place. Now once you've gotten to this extent, what you just have to do is, if you're doing this for the first time, come to your public underscore html and do not create any folder. On public underscore html, just have to click on upload, and then you're going to upload the script there and extract it. But I'm not going to do it that way because I actually have a website residing on this domain name. So I'm just going to create a folder to show you how to do that. I have created the folder already, and we've given the folder name train. So I have created the folder, so I am just going to come here and then click on upload, and I'm going to click on select files, and I'm going to come to my desktop. So on my desktop, I'm just going to locate this, and I'm going to locate this custom EQ script. So while this is uploading, we just have to give it some lero type, and this is going to upload for us. And after uploading for us, we are going to head over and then extract this script for us. Okay guys, so our script is uploaded. So what we just have to do now is to go back and extract this script. So once our script is uploaded, I'm just going to go back right here. Let's reload this. So you can see our script right here. Just right click on this and come down here and extract. So we are extracting to train. So it's just simple guys, you just have to follow my procedure in this video so that you can also get the exact same result. So just have to close this. So you see that our script has been extracted for us, and you can now start your setup from here. Now another thing we need to do is to create a database, and this database details is what we are now going to use to configure this website script. So once we are done doing that, we just have to come back here and then connect this. We're going to edit this db.php. So this db is database, just see that right here. Just want to edit it, and then our website should be live. So let's get that done right now. So you just have to come back to your cPanel and then come here and locate your database. So on your database, you just have to come to your database SQL wizard. So I'm just going to click on this, and you are going to see that it's going to tell us to create a database. So what you just have to do is you're going to create a database for yourself. Okay, let's just see if we can do something like this. Let's just put this name, and then we're going to click on next step. Okay, we're also going to give it a username. Let's say something like this, and then it's going to ask you to generate password. So we just have to click on password generate. I'm going to generate. Okay, so this is our password. I'm going to just copy this password, and I'll say I have copied this password. So just come down right here, and let's paste that password right here. So this is my password, Ctrl V, and I'm going to say use password. Once you've done that, you just have to click on create user, and let's copy these details and save it, because we are going to need it for the configuration of our website. So let's come down right here, and let me paste that. Okay, once you've done that, just have to click on all privileges, and you come here and click on next step. So once you've done that, our database, you see that it has been created. So once after doing that, the next thing we need to do is we are going to upload an SQL database file that will help us in the setting up of our website. So how are we going to do that? We just have to come back to tools, and we are going to locate our database section. So here you just have to come to phpMyAdmin. You're going to see some of the database already created. So this is the one we recently created. So you just have to click on it, and you see that it's empty. So come here and click on import, and then you're going to choose file, and then this is the SQL database file that we are going to be uploading. So I'm just going to double click on it and then open that. So guys, I just want you to follow my procedure. It's easy to set up, so I want you to get the exact same results, and that is why I am following the step-by-step procedure of setting this up. So if you follow this same procedure, you're also going to get the exact same result. So I'm just going to click on import, and it's going to import our database information for us. And once that is done, we also have another procedure, another configuration we need to do for our website to be up and running. So let's wait for it to import that SQL file for us. So wow, our SQL file has been imported successfully. So now we have one more step to go, and now I want to points out this. Most times you're uploading this script, you need to check your PHP version. Most times this script also, okay, you can see from right here, it says it needs to be PHP version 7.0, okay, 7.4 and upwards. So if you should have your PHP version set to this number so that it should help the stuff run very well. So now let's come back to our file manager, and we'll go to public underscore, and you see that we uploaded our script to train. So this is the train. I'm going to click and open that right now. So now we have to configure this db.php right here with our created database details. So I'm just going to click on edit, and we are going to get our password. So this is my password right here. Control C, and I'm going to change the existing password here to the new one. So I'm just going to edit that right here. Okay, Control V, and I'm going to get my database username. So here is my database username. Control C and Control V. So it's simple. So Control V, and I'm going to get the database username. Okay, so this is my database name right here. So let me just have to copy this, and so Control C. So this is the database name. Just have to paste that right here. Control V. So that is okay for me. I'm just going to click on save changes, and my changes has been saved. So what we are going to do now is to just come here and copy our domain name, and then we need to come to a new tab and paste that domain name. And remember, the folder we uploaded our script to is train. So I'm just going to put train/train, the domain name /train. And hope guys you remember why I am doing this on a folder. I'm doing this on a folder because I already have a website existing on my primary domain. So if you're doing this for the first time or for a new client, there is no need uploading it to a folder. You just have to do it directly on your public underscore HTML. So I'm just going to hit enter, and wow guys, you can see that my website is up and running. So guys, you can see that everything is okay and everything looks fine and perfect. So you see that. So next thing, now we now need to log into our admin, and then from our admin you can now see how you can create these details, create a tracking, and then you can come right here on the front end and track. Now for you to get your tracking details, okay, for you to log into your admin, what you just have to do is the folder we put /admin. So we just have to click on enter. So this is the admin area. So now how are you going to get your admin login details? So your admin login details, we are going to come back to our database, and then we can get our admin login details. So on your cPanel right here, just come to your PHP my admin, and we are going to locate the database we just created. So this is the database right here, and I'm going to come to tracking admin, and so you can see our admin email right here. So I'm just going to copy that, Control C, and I'm going to come here and put that. So Control V. So I just have to put my password okay, I'm just going to click on login. Wow, so guys, you can see that I have logged into my admin area. So now from here you can actually create your tracking, edit your tracking, and whatever thing that your client is going to see on the tracking area, you can create all of them from here. So now let's go over now and create a tracking detail, and then we are going to come over to the front end and track that details and see if that goes very well. So what is the sender's name? Let's say the sender's name is Frank Greg, something like that. So the receiver's name, we just have to use Harry. So let's just use Harry Beats, something like that. So the receiver's phone number, we just have to put shift plus 44, and email address should be harry at gmail.com. So name of person should be, let's say we are sending an animal to the client, and place of origin, it is leaving from Germany and it is going to France. So let's say awaiting payment. So that is the status of our delivery. So what is the kg? It is weighing 50 kg. So let's say 50 or so. So size and type, let's say 1. So delivery required by dates, today's dates, tomorrow delivery by time. We select this. So estimated delivery, we say it should be reaching there in 10 days. So this is the time. So additional comments, you can just say let's say make your payment. So let's say that, so time created was created now, and let's say date created, it was created today. And if you want to upload an image, you can just come here and upload any image of your choice. So let's say I have an image to upload. So let me just come over to my desktop, and let's say I want to upload an image. So what image am I going to upload? So let's just say this one. So let's say this is the image of the package I want to upload. So I just have to click on add tracker, and you can see that new tracking added successfully. So I'm just going to click on OK. So now let's get the tracking that we just created. So let's just get that. So you see the image right here. So I'm just going to copy this tracking ID, Control C, and let's come over to the front end, our domain name /train. So let's come back to the front end, and let me paste that, Control V. So let's search for that. Okay, this is my tracking number, Control C. So let's just track the details we just created. So Control V, and then just click on track and trace. Wow, so you can just see the tracking details we just created. So you see whatever thing we edited at the back end, you see awaiting payment, make your payment, and you see that all the details, you see the sender's name, you see the receiver's name, you see the number that we just put. Wow, so you can see that the location is right here, is showing on the map. And you can also print this receipt and then send it to your client, and the admin can actually have access to edit whatever thing you're seeing right here from the admin panel. So you can see the admin panel right here. So the admin can actually come and click on something that's updates, and you're going to see that he has access to change the current location and add any message, update the status. Okay, let's say we want to update the status from awaiting payment to in transit. So we just have to write up something like that, and then let's put the update time and update date. So it's today, then we select that date, and let's say we just have a random message to send to the client. We just have to put something like let's say take your order, something like that. So the current location, let's say it's in Canada. So let's say that's the location. So if that's okay with us, we just have to click on update tracker, and you see that it says updated. So let's come back here and refresh this tracking ID. So now I want to show you how you can actually edit some stuff on the front end of the website. So let's go back to the front end. So because I know a lot of you will have that question, so you can see all this stuff here. So I'm just going to show you how you can edit everything you are seeing right here, so to make it to turn onto your own website. So for you to do that, let's go back to our file manager, and from our file manager you just have to come down right here. So let's go back to the folder that we created. So this is the folder, and from this folder you're going to see the the index.html, and I believe you should know that the index.html is the side of your front end. So you just have to come here, click on that, and then you can see that this is the name of your website. So you can from here now edit some stuff that you'll be seeing on this front end. So now let's say we want to edit this reliable logistics and transport solution. So let's say we want to change this to our own or a different stuff altogether. So let's come here and locate, Control F to find, and let's say reliable. Okay, yeah, reliable logistics. So let's say we want to change it to um, trusted logistics and transport solution around the globe. So let's save that right now. So it has been saved. So let's just come to the front end and then let's refresh this. Wow, so you can see that that has been changed. Okay, it has been changed to trusted logistics and transport solution around the globe. So you are just going to take your time and edit whichever thing you want to change on this front end, whichever thing you want to change to yours. Just take your time and edit that. Then after editing that, let me just show you how to change the logo. So from this logo now, let's say you want to change this logo to your own. So just come and put your cursor on this logo and then right click on it and open image in a new tab. So this is going to show you the link where this logo is uploaded. So you see that it is uploaded in assets slash images slash logo, then slash logo dash dark dash png. So let's look for that in our folder now. So let's come back to our folder, and on our folder we are going to locate assets, and on our assets we are going to locate images, and on the images we are going to locate logo. So let's come back and we're going to locate logo. So this is logo right here, and you can see that this is where the logo it is uploaded. So now for you to change this logo to your own, you just have to come here, create a logo for your client or for yourself, and then come here and click on upload, and you can actually upload your image. So it is going to overwrite this existing one, so your own logo is going to start showing from here. So these are the basic things you need to edit for you to deliver this job to your client. So now guys, I promised you from the beginning of this video that I'm going to be showing you how you can actually make money from this secret and guidance I'm showing you in this video. So now one of the ways you can make money from this video is, let's say you have a client that is interested in getting this kind of website delivered to the person. You can actually position yourself as a web developer and tell the person that yeah, you can handle this project effectively, and even showing the person a sample, and then you can get this script from me and then you deliver this job for your client, and you can charge your client between 200k to even 1 million as the case may be. So and you can charge them within this range price and then get to deliver this job to them. And I also promised you that I'm going to be telling you how you can have access to this script. So if you want to have access to this script, it is going for 40,000 naira. So if you have 40,000 naira, you can actually message me, and I will be leaving the link to my contact in below this video, so you can message me and you can actually have access to this software, and you can actually get to deliver the same job for your clients. So guys, I believe you found this video helpful. Give this video a thumbs up, and most importantly, if you've not subscribed to our channel, subscribe to our channel, because this is the only way you get notified whenever we release educating videos of this sort. And guys, I will want to see you in our next video. So till then, I want you to remain productive, and if you have any question, I want you to leave it in the comment section and we will be right there to attend to your question. Thank you guys.